Hello, friends. Do you know that you can make money online when you are at home? This is possible just with your handphone. You can make money. The Savage platform has made it possible for you to make money in your comfort zone. You will just be either in your office, at any place. You can make money. You can make dollars at any by performing some task when you sign up in their platform. You will start making money instantly. It is easier, it is free, it doesn't cost much. Many people are afraid today because they say that internet is full with fraudsters, but not in case of a Savage. Savage is a good platform where you can make your lifetime earnings. You'll be making money while you are doing your other works. You'll be making money while relaxing. You'll be making money online just with your handphone. Just click on the link and sign up and become one of the members. You will start earning for life. I wish you good luck.